My favorite thing about my job is really seeing new data, sometimes something that no one has ever seen before.
Pushing innovation. I think the ability to sort of, again, ask these high-risk questions, thinking outside the box.
Can do anything you want, but also at the same time it is very complicated.
There is no instant gratification in science. You have to be pretty lucky if you get that.
And this is where the fascination comes.
I ended up here in the UCDC really because it's one of the key diabetes research centers in the nation.
Alabama and Birmingham area has very high incidences of type 2 diabetes.
The UCDC is uniquely positioned that kind of integrates the researchers that are working in different aspects of diabetes and kind of works as an interface between these researchers and the community.
Research is at its best when we work together, we work collaboratively in order to tackle complicated scientific questions.
We have a very good collaborative environment and culture and help each other. And this place is, I would say, is a really unique place.
The center has faculty from different departments who are all interested in the study of diabetes, whether it be type 1 or type 2. It's very nice to be able to be in one place and have exposure to these different ideas.
Here's an opportunity where we get to infuse the group with new ideas, with sometimes a different viewpoint on thinking that really expands the way we do our research. And also it gives us an opportunity to shape and mold the next generation of researchers.
The next 10-15 years are going to be very exciting in diabetes research, and things are going to move quite rapidly.
Oh, there's so much going on. There was a time, there was no insulin, and then insulin came about. Then things like islet transplant didn't exist. Now they came about, and now we're slowly moving into, beta cell regeneration.
I think that there's never been a more hopeful time. We're having the emergence of so many different therapeutic options for individuals. And I think that on one hand, that means that what we've done over the last 10 and 20 years has been working. And on the other, I think that we're going to have to start asking some really hard questions about how do we treat people long term with these drugs? Should that be done? And what are all the metabolic consequences of going from a disease state to a treated state? So I think that those are some of the opportunities that will be emerging moving forward.
Honestly, I think one of the biggest challenges we have now is getting funding. I guarantee if you talk to every PI here, they have many more ideas than they have money to spend on them.
Donors are very important to us, not only that is the financial support, but also having the community that has interest in what is going on in diabetes research and patient care.
Donors are so important to this process because you allow us to really ask the novel questions and to test new ideas.
Anything that can add and contribute to sort of give an additional ability to ask tough questions is critically important to push the envelope of innovation.
So at the highest level of our institution, we are committed to making sure that, diabetes is front and center of our institution. And again, your support has been critical in getting us to where we are today.